Good morning, students. Second preparation from acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride react with alcohol. Acetyl chloride formula CH3COCl. Alcohol formula C2H5OH. In the presence of acid, that hydrogens and Cl will be removed. HCl will be removed. Remaining CH3, COO, C2H5. Ethyl acetate will be formed. Third preparation from acid unnitrate. Acid unnitrate react with alcohols. Acid unnitrate formula CH3CO, CH3COO. Alcohol formula OH2H5. Here breaking. That above add H, below add C2H5O. Product CH3COO C2H5 plus CH3COOH. Ethyl acetate formed. Ester from esterifications, second one from alcohol, third one acid unnitrate. Three preparation will be prepared. Physical properties: colorless liquids or solids. Colorless liquid or solids. Fruitly smell. Fruitly smell. Chemical properties. First one, hydrolysis. Ester formula CH3COO C2H5. Hydrolysis used water molecule. Here breaking, left side hydrogen, right side OH. Acid plus alcohol present. Acid plus alcohol present. Second one, reaction with alcohol. Ethyl acetate formula CH3COO C2H5. Alcohol taken CH3 C3H7OH. In the presence of acid, what happened means that alcohol will be formed. C2H5OH will be formed. Remaining CH3COO C3H7. CH3COO C3H7 plus C2H5OH. Name is called propyl acetate. Propyl acetate. C2H5 name is called ethanol. Third preparation, third chemical property is reaction with ammonia. CH3COO C2H5 reaction with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Our convenient rate HNH2. Removal of alcohol C2H5OH. Remaining CH3CONH2. Name is called acetamide. Next, glycine condensation. Glycine condensation means Number of times reacting CH3 C double bond O C2H5 ethyl acetate. One more ethyl acetate HCH2 C double bond O C2H5. In the presence of C2H5 ONA, sodium phenoxide will be catalyst. What form means that removal of alcohol. Remaining CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O C2H5 plus C2H5 OH. Name is called ethyl acetate. Simply is called beta keto ester. Next, fifth reaction with PCl5. CH3 COO C2H5 plus PCl5. Here breaking, here Cl and here one Cl. Center PCl3. Product CH3COCl plus POCl3 plus C2H5Cl. Next topic, acetamide. Acetamide example CH3CONH2. Name is called acetamide. First preparation. First preparation, ammonia is acetyl chloride react with ammonia. NH2. Removal of HCl. CH3CONH2 plus HCl. Second preparation, ethyl acetate. CH3CO acetic anhydride react with ammonia. What happened? Here breaking. Here added NH2. Here added CH3CONH2. CH3COOH. CH3CONH2 plus CH3COOH. Third, ammonium acetate. CH3COONH4 plus. Here acetate getting negative charge. There will be heated. What happened? Removal of water molecules. Remaining CH3CONH2 is formed. Fourth preparation from nitriles. Nitriles example cyanide. CH3 C double bond N. Concentrated HCl and water molecules. Water molecules means left side oxygen, right side H2. CH3 CONH2 formed. Next, chemical properties. First one, amide react with HCl. CH3CONH2 plus HCl. Then combined reactions only. What formed? That added H plus NH2 converted NH3. CH3 CO NH3 Cl. That NH3 getting positive charge, Cl getting negative charge. Second react with sodium. CH3CO NH2 plus sodium. Sodium is the monovalent, so 2 times taken. That acetamide also 2 times taken. Removal of hydrogens. Each acetamide removal of hydrogen CH3CONH. That replacing Na plus H2. Third reaction, hydrolysis. CH3CONH2. Hydrolysis using water molecule in the presence of acid. So what happened? That left side added OH, right side added H. CH3 COOH plus NH3. Fourth reaction, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Here added H, here added NaO, CH3COO Na plus NH3. CH3COO Na plus NH3. Sodium acetate. Next, dehydrations. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. CH3CONH2. That catalyst used phosphorus pentoxide heated means removal of water molecule. Remaining CH3C triple bond N plus H2O. Next, Hoffman dehydrations. Naming reaction side very important. Acetamide react with bromine, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide taken 4 times. This keted. First removal of water molecule. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. So removal of 2 H2O. Remaining 4 potassium, 2 oxygens. 4 potassium, 2 oxygens. That each bromine taken 1 Br, 1 potassium. So potassium bromide 2 times. Remaining K2. The 2 oxygen go to added CO. CO converted to CO3. Remaining CH3 NH2 only present. CH3 NH2 present. Hoffman dehydration, preparations of primary amine. Next, reduction. Reduction using 4 hydrogens. Reduction catalyst lithium aluminum hydride. What happened? Here breaking. That left side added 2 hydrogens. Here water molecule 2 hydrogens. So CH3 CH2 NH2. CH3 CH2 NH2. Remaining H2. CH3 CH2 NH2 plus H2O. Here also this is for primary amine. Ethyl amine. Specific name ethyl amine. So primary amine also prepared. Next, uses of carboxylic acid and its derivatives. First one, formic acid. Formic acid used dehydration aids. Second point, coagulating agent for rubber lactics. Third, medicine for treatment of formic acid used antiseptic in the prevention of fruit juice. Second, acetic acid uses table vinegar, coagulating rubber latex, manufacturing of cellulose acetate and polyvinyl acetate. Next, benzoic acid, food preservative, either the pure form in the form of sodium benzoate. Second is medicine in urinary antiseptic, manufacturing of dyes. Next, acetyl chloride, acetylating agent in organic synthesis, detections and estimations of alcohol, amine group in organic compound. Acetic anhydride, acetylating agent, preparations of medicine like aspirin and phenacetin. Aspirin and phenacetin is read for lesson number 15. Chemistry in daily life, manufacturing of plastics like cellulose acetate and polyvinyl acetate. Polyvinyl acetate first name PVC. Ethyl acetate uses preparations of artificial fruit essence, solvent for liquids, preparations of organic synthetic reagent like ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is called beta ketoester. Next, lesson number 13, organic nitrogen compounds. Introductions. Organic compounds containing nitrogen for essential to life. Example, amines. Organic derivatives, ammonia, play an important role of bioregulations and neurotransmission, etc. Pyridoxine, vitamin B6, organic nitrogen compounds are also needed to maintain the gut, nerve, skin, and red blood cells. Plant synthesis of alkaloid biological active amines protect from the being eaten away from insects and other animals. Diazonium salt very important. Find the important application of synthetic organic chemistry. Vitamin B6 stature will be given neurotransmitter and dyes for blood vessels. That is important compounds of all are containing nitrogens. Vitamin B6 also containing nitrogens and dopamines containing nitrogens and histidine containing nitrogens and all are very important for organic nitrogen compounds. Classification of nitro compounds. Classification of nitro compounds mainly two types. One is aliphatic, another one is aromatic. Aliphatic also divided by two types. Nitroalkanes. Yeah, alkyl nitriles. Alkyl nitriles means example CH3, CH2, O, N double bond O. Here nitroalkanes means CH3, CH2, NO2. Next, aromatic nitro compounds divided by two types. First one, nitroarenes. Nitroarenes is called nitroarenes. Next, aryl nitroalkenes. Aryl nitroalkanes. C6H5 aryl. Aryl. Alkane means CH2. Nitro means NO2. Next, nitroalkanes also divided by three types. First type primary, second type secondary, third type tertiary. Primary means CH3, CH2, NO2. That CH2 present primary. Second CH3 C CH3 CHNO2 CH secondary. Third CH3 CCH3 CH3NO2. So carbon is the tertiary. That name is called ethyl 2 carbon. So ethane, nitroethane, nitroethane. Second 1 2 3 carbon. So second carbon having nitro group, 2 nitro propane, 2 nitro propane. Third one 1 2 3. Second group having methyl group. So 2 methyl. Second group attached nitro, 2 nitro propane, 2 methyl, 2 nitro propane, 2 methyl, 2 nitro propane. Nitro alkanes in general formula are NO2. General formula RNO2, where R is the alkyl group. R is the alkyl group. So primary, secondary, tertiary, nitroalkane basics are the type of carbon atom which in NO2 group only added. Here primary NO2 group added, secondary NO2 group added, tertiary also NO2 group only added. Next nomenclature is given in the table. So you have to 11th standard also read nitroalkanes tables. Here also given. Any doubt means ask me. Isomerism. Nitroalkanes exist in 3 isomerism. First one chain isomerism, second one position, third one functional. Chain isomerism means that formula C4H9NO2. Chain isomer 1 is the straight chain, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. All are carbon straight chain. Here branched. That is that isomerism is called chain isomerism. Second position. Position means functional group attached carbon will be different. First, both structures also C4H9NO2. First structure attached first carbon. Second carbon attached. Third 2 methyl 2 nitropropane. That second carbon with alkyl group will be different. Third one functional isomerism. Functional isomerism means functional group only different. Here NO2 group, here O N double bond O. Here nitro group, here nitrite groups. So 3 mark side will be important. Another one isomerism also possible. Which isomerism means tautomerism. Primary and secondary nitroalkane having alpha hydrogens. That nitro group attached carbon having alpha. So alpha hydrogens present. So alpha hydrogen will be replaced. Alpha hydrogens will be replaced. Here replaced means here double bond is converted. Here going to hydrogen, tautomerism. So CH3NO2 converted CH2 double bond NOHO. That is nitromethane. Here methyl nitrate. Aciform or acinitrophoam. Next, difference between nitroform and aciform. Nitroform is the less acidic. More acidic called pseudoacidic or nitronic acids. Second, dissolved in NaOH slowly. Here instantly. Third, decolorized in FeCl3. Here FeCl3 gives reduced brown colors. Next, electrical conductivity is low. Here electric conductivity is high.